So hi and welcome to Bett 2020 from the NetSupport Stand, rather called London XL. We're really excited to have an absolutely packed agenda this year. You'll see on our amazing stand, we've got some fantastic updates for our IT asset management products, really focusing about improving efficiency and identifying kit that's not being used particularly well. We've got some great updates for our classroom instructional software, NetSupport School, really focused about teacher and student well-being, capturing well-being, and also making our technology that much more accessible for perhaps less tech-confident teachers. Alongside that, we're launching our Bett finalist Really School, our latest updates there for some fantastic classroom assessment and observation tools. We've got loads of our partners here. You'll be meeting the team from NetSupport Radio, the official broadcasters of Bett.
Hi, welcome to NetSupport Radio. We're broadcasting every day during Bett. It's great. What a fabulous studio. Have a look around. I'm expecting a shed load of guests. We've invited almost anyone just to drop in for a conversation and just to tell us how they're using either any of the NetSupport products or anything that's really innovative and exciting in the classroom. So it all has the makings of a brilliant, the very best Bett ever. As you know, I've been coming since 1985 and my goodness, things have changed. We've got a bit more room this year. The studio space here is fantastic and I can expect some great shows out of our guests. Live at 3 every day and afterwards on Spotify, and you can simply go to the netsupportsoftware.com/radio to download the app.
Hi, Mark Anderson here on a NetSupport Stand. Even got my own t-shirt this year. It's fantastic being here again, presenting lots of times. We've got loads of other great speakers joining us here over the course of the week. It's always great to work with the NetSupport team. The product is so essential to schools, so it's a real privilege and pleasure to be able to support them with their output here. Also got other people here represented. We've got the Association of Network Managers in Education. We've also got Henry Platten from Go Bubble sharing his amazing platform for safe social media here on NL44, the Bett Show.
Hi, I'm Bett Couchy. I'm the product manager of Really School. So Really School is a cloud-based solution for observations, assessments, monitoring progress and attainment, communicating with parents and much more. We've got some really exciting new reports to showcase where you can easily monitor student progress. We've got leadership reports for you to look at as well for your governors and head teachers. And we can really help you improve your parent engagement with our parent app. If any of that is something that you want to see, we can show you.
The ANME is an organisation of the Association of Network Managers in Education for technicians, network managers within the educational field to talk and get on with one another and have meetings and things. Here at the Bett Show this year we're doing the ANME Trail, so coming up to the stand to pick up a flyer, go around to various sponsors, NetSupport being one of them, and get a stamp from us, and to get all the stamps you can be into a draw to win some fantastic prizes.
Hi, I'm Henry from Go Bubble. Delighted to be here with the amazing team at NetSupport at Bett. Go Bubble is Instagram for kids. It gives schools that safe environment for them to learn safe social media skills before they go and use other platforms. Brilliant to see so many educators here and people who genuinely care about digital citizenship and being healthier, kinder and safer.